plants as cultural symbols and lands, a glimpse into beauty and identity. Hello dear viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we explore the enchanting world of plants as cultural symbols in different lands. Plants are not just beautiful elements in nature, they also serve as symbols of national identity and cultural heritage. Flowers' unique language of identity. Flowers, one of the most captivating cultural symbols. Here, flowers are discussed as a language of identity in each country. They not only showcase the beauty of nature, but also represent deep cultural meanings. Two, trees, symbols of earthly connection. Trees, too, hold cultural significance. In this section, we witness the characteristics and symbols of trees in different countries. Trees can be symbols of national strength and stability. Three, plants in culture and art. Plants, as cultural symbols, play a crucial role not only in nature but also in art and culture. This section explores the role of plants in folklore, religious ceremonies, and national art. 4. The historical bond of plants. This section delves into the historical connection of plants with significant national events worldwide. Plants play an extraordinary role in shaping perspectives on the past, present, and future. Below, we delve into the plant symbols of some countries. Introduced in 1945, these flowers became a symbol of peace. And the end of World War II, when these roses gave rise to the peace flag, they transformed into an emblem of peace, friendship, and tranquility. Peace roses, with their yellow petals and subtle orange edges, accompanied by a pleasant fragrance, have become renowned as symbols of essential human principles such as peace and friendship in American culture. Since then, the peace rose has been utilized in various official ceremonies and diverse festivals in the United States, earning recognition as the national flower for approximately 30 years. United Kingdom. The plant symbol recognized as the national emblem of Britain is the thistle. This spiky plant, belonging to the Cirsium genus, has been chosen as the symbol of Scotland and gradually recognized as one of the national symbols of Britain. Thistle represents strength and resilience and has a close connection to the history and culture of Scotland. Cherry blossoms, or Sakura, symbolize spring in Japan. This flower is considered a sign of new beginnings, new life, and the beauty of the past in Japanese culture. Every year, the people of Japan celebrate the viewing of cherry blossoms, known as Hanami. The rose symbolizes love and respect, and is recognized as a powerful cultural symbol in French culture. The proper use of roses in ceremonies, festivals, and as an essential element in decorative arts plays a significant role in French culture. The red rose is recognized as the national flower of Iran. This flower symbolizes the blood of martyrs and the determination of the Iranian people in defense of independence and freedom. The red rose is used in various occasions, from festivals to official ceremony. The national flower symbol of Norway is the dog Rosa canina. Recognized by its scientific name, the dog rose has been chosen as Norway's national flower. It symbolizes the beauty of nature and national unity in Norwegian culture. The lotus is a symbol of beauty and purity in Indian culture. This flower is respected and admired as a symbol of freedom, light, and benevolence. The lotus has been acknowledged as a national symbol in India. The national plant symbol of Italy is the olive Olea Europea. Recognized by its scientific name, Olea Europaea, the olive is considered a symbol of peace, governance, and wealth in Italian culture. Olives and their oil play a significant role in Italian nutrition and culture, representing stability and economic prosperity. Peony, known as mudan in Chinese culture, symbolizes wealth, vitality, and prosperity. This flower is recognized as a symbol of honor and respect in Chinese culture. These symbols may evolve and have different meanings over time and in different locations. However, in general, these plants reflect the history and culture of each country, serving as indicators of their national values and beauty. Write for me, what is the national plant symbol of your country? Join us on this fascinating journey into the world of plants as cultural symbols, discovering new interests and unraveling the beauty and identity they hold. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for updates on future videos. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.